Hello again, and we will continue with our third question. Let's see what we have. Roman to integer. We have some symbols. We have and its values. We have to translate them. For example, if we input this and it'll output this. Okay, then I like making some dictionaries when it comes to this. So let's say I is. Do we like this in Python or equal sign? Let's see. Python dictionary. Let's see. Okay, two that is correct. You will have I 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 7. Okay. I we not like this. X L C D me. Not me M. It's 1000. It's 500. 150, I guess, yes. And 5. But the thing in here, it's this trick part. How to do that? How can I apply this? If it is normal written, I know I how to do this, but if it's like this, I don't know. Roman 2-inch. Oh, my caps lock is on. Roman 2 in dictionary is this. Okay. Then what to do in here? If I just change them and uh, for in S nums, let's say nums will be a list, empty list. Then for in list that's append, I will append their number version like so. So we have this list that is like, for example, for this, I have a list that is 1000. What is this? 100,000 and hundreds 1 5. So what can I do to make it like, I don't know, to make it visible? Let's see. I I have a I want to look at something first. It's the can I enhance the visibility of you by doing this? Does it make any change on stream? No, okay. I don't know. Okay, let's see what can we do about it. I am new at coding as well, so I don't know too much stuff. If someone watching and have any idea, I can use your help. But I don't think anyone is watching, so I'm on my own. So there can be IV, XL, CD groups. I need to figure that out. Then what to do? If hmm, let's see. We have result. Let's make it equal to 0 for now. And if let's for I in S, let's do it like this. For I in range Length of s, right? S minus 1. And for j in range length of s, I will do something like this. If I equal not I s I equal to I, should I put like this or this? Not this. This one, right? I and I don't need any j. I plus 1 is equal to j. No, it's v, or I have three conditions, right? 2, 3. There is this. Or I think I can put or in Python, right? I just need some parentheses. Can I do this in? Okay, that works in LeetCode as well, but not this. Not this. Yes, here and here. IV, XL, and CD. XL and CD. This video is really long. I hope you will watch it. And I'm learning, I hope. Then result uh, plus equal uh, what will add, what will we end int iv xlc. Okay, we will add the it should be minus, right? Minus si, else it will add it. Okay, and for the last I have to add the last, right? And it will be minus 1, not this, and it should be plus. I don't know will it work. I think it should work. Let's see. Maybe its time complexity is too much, but we will see everything right for now. Okay, I think we cannot do this in Python. Or should I put commas in here? Let's try this way. Will it work? No, it outputted 2214. So what does it do for mistake? Oh, there's one more condition. I missed that. So C can be, let's do something like this. Okay, and C can be before M. I think that should work. Right, guys? No. Okay. I, I don't understand how Python works. I'm not doing anything about good code for now. I will just code. It's 2014. Okay, what's the problem in here? Why it is 2014? What does it miss? It's 1000 in here, 900 in here, 90 in here, and 4. 1994. But mine does it incorrectly. Why does it doing it? Uh, can I test it? Test my code? Is there any way to do it? Okay. And print. Can we print and see what I'm doing? Is there a print option? Okay, I can see. It does 101. Uh, this is the 100. This is the one. He missed this. So what is this problem in here? Oh, I have to put. Okay, silly me. I can't do this too without adding too much. Let's put here parentheses, or it is L, or I didn't see the C parts, L or C. And I think it should work. Let's remove the prints and run the code. Let's see. It's accepted and submit. I think it's really bad. It doesn't even work. Okay. Why it didn't work? IX. I just wanna kill myself. Sorry about that. Okay, here Control C, Control V, or X. Cause why not? Let's see the best answer after that. I think it should be correct. Yes, it's one of the worst ones. So ex let's see the best one. Okay, it's same as me. He did the dictionary. He has a total and previous value, and he did a reverse one. Why you do a reverse? Let's see. You take the current value. If the previous value is bigger than the current value, you will subtract it. If it's bigger, he will add it. Then he will continue until end. I want to see the description. Let's see. He reversed it, so it's 5, 1, 10, etc., etc. So okay, does this. He is bigger than this one, so add it. It's smaller, so subtract it. It's bigger, add it. It's smaller. Oh, that's a clever idea. I didn't know that's possible. So thank you. We solved this one. Let's continue with the next one.